Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be talking about the TMA CG MTF indicator for MT4. This technical tool combines a triangular moving average with a center of gravity calculation and adds multi-time frame capability, giving you dynamic support and resistance levels and trend context from more than one time frame on a single chart. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Okay, there we have it. As you can see, the TMA CG MTF indicator plots curved bands or levels around price that represent dynamic support and resistance derived from the TMA and center of gravity logic. On a higher time frame, these levels outline the broader trend channel, while on a lower time frame, they refine short-term support and resistance within that bigger picture. When price approaches a lower band in an uptrend, it visually implies a dynamic support area, while touches of an upper band in a downtrend imply dynamic resistance. Seeing these levels from multiple time frames together helps you judge whether current price is trading near the extremes of its higher time frame structure or simply oscillating within an intraday move. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. All right, you can load the TMA CG MTF indicator with one time frame on the main chart and another embedded. For example, using a daily TMA CG overlay while trading on a 4-hour chart. The indicator uses its TMA and CG calculations to define the bands. You can then apply a simple strategy: identify trend on a higher time frame, confirm it on the lower time frame, wait for price to reach a TMA CG support or resistance band, and then consider trades with price action confirmation. Visual settings let you adjust band colors and styles so higher and lower time frame structures are easy to distinguish. So easy for the TMA CG MTF indicator is suited to traders who like to anchor their entries to dynamic support and resistance while respecting higher time frame trend direction, including swing and position traders. It is still a moving average based lagging indicator. It can generate false signals in ranging or choppy markets and may react slowly to sudden changes. It's important that traders should confirm signals with their own price action analysis and risk rules and be wary of relying solely on the indicator in volatile conditions. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full TMA CG MTF indicator overview, including step-by-step buy and sell examples, pros and cons, and usage tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.